guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today I am going to show you how to make a very simple and very easy and very tasty, I don't even know what to call it. I like to make this with pasta, but we're going to call it like a summer garden pasta, but we're not using pasta today. We are using the spiraled butternut squash noodles. This is an excellent healthy recipe. You are going to love it. It's low in carbs, it's low in fat, it's high in flavor. It is absolutely phenomenal. I usually make it, like I said, with regular pasta noodles, but today we're going to do the butternut squash noodles. Alright guys, I hope the lighting is okay for you. What I've got in my pan so far is about 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let that melt, and we're going to also add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons. And while that's heating up there, I've got this on about medium. I'm going to show you what we've got going on here. Look at the beauty right there. Look at that. I've got my beautiful grape tomatoes. I've got some green onions here. This is 2 green onions. This is about a cup of the tomatoes just sliced in half, the grape tomatoes. And then I've got some fresh basil here. I've got 3 cloves of chopped garlic there. We're also going to use some crushed red pepper flakes, just a pinch. And I've also got some mushrooms here that we're going to use, sliced mushrooms. And then I've got some heavy whipping cream that we're going to use. And I'm also going to use 1 chicken bouillon and a little bit of water, and that's basically it. And we are also going to use the butternut squash veggie spirals. Normally when I make this dish, I like to make just regular, the pasta with it, and today I am going to be using the veggie spirals. We're going to make this dish a little on the healthy side for you anyway. And once you get that nice and melted together, and we're also using just a little tiny bit of garlic salt, and we're going to use, what are we going to use? Parmesan cheese, of course. Got to have Parmesan cheese. Once you get this melted, I'm going to go ahead and add your onions. And your garlic in there. And we're just going to saute these up until they become nice and fragrant. Go ahead and throw your mushrooms in there as well. And then we're just going to saute these up for just a couple minutes. Alright, these look absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to taste me a mushroom. So full of flavor. At this point, I want you to go ahead and add your bouillon. And then we're going to add about a half a cup of water. And that chicken bouillon is going to add so much flavor to this. Give it a nice toss, and it will melt perfectly in there. And now what I've done is I want you to put your butternut squash veggie noodles in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes until you get them where they're separated. And then I'm just going to open that up. They're not thoroughly cooked, but they are, we're going to finish cooking them in the pan here. Go ahead and add those in there. Those look like carrots, don't they? Yummy. And then just give it a toss, and we're going to cook this for an additional 3 to 4 minutes until the noodles are just, or the butternut squash noodles are just about done. Alright, those are absolutely perfect. Now at this time, I want you to go ahead and add your tomatoes and your fresh basil. Look at the beautiful summer colors. And then I'm going to add just a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Oh, that basil smells amazing. And you're going to give that a toss. Tell me, friends, that is not absolutely beautiful. Look at the vibrant colors. Now you know why I call it like my summer pasta. It smells so good. And then we're going to add it just a little bit to give it that creaminess. We're going to add, well, if I can get the lid open there. Just a couple tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream. And that's going to add like a thickness, a creaminess to it. Give that a toss. All the while it is on medium heat. Oh, it's beautiful. And then I want you to go ahead and add, not a whole lot, but just a couple tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. A couple little pinches. And then give that a toss. And we are ready to serve this up. Look at that. Oh, that basil smells amazing. All right, guys, I want you to look how absolutely gorgeous that is. I topped it with a little, I tore apart a few pieces of more of the basil and just put it right on top of there just for color to make it look a little bit more vibrant, more beautiful. And I topped it with a little bit more of the Parmesan cheese. This is absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the juices that are running out, the flavor. Let's call it flavor. Call it what it is, friends. Juice, flavor, whatever. But I am going in for a bite. Mmm. Oh my goodness. It's so vibrant. It's beautiful. The colors are, they're just so beautiful together. And the flavors are out of this world. You can taste the basil. The garlic, the basil is infused throughout this dish. And you got just a little hint of the crushed red pepper flakes to give it just that little extra bite to it. And you know what? You better harvest all those fresh vegetables now, because we are going into the fall season here quickly. And you're not going to get all these fresh vegetables, and you're going to wish you had made this before winter comes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and share all my videos. And I hope you are enjoying my Life with Sandy that I've got on this channel as well. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. You know I love hearing from you guys. I appreciate you watching. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.